guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick and easy protective style for you. This features absolutely no heat, and I used a pack of weave. It was synthetic weave by Organique, and I also used a pack of braiding hair and 2 products as well as water. So let's get started. So first I did one side already because this was my first time trying out this hairstyle, so I just wanted to make sure that I could do it and that it would look good, and it did. I didn't use that much hair on the ends just because I wanted it to be pretty thin, but you can add as much hair as you want. At the bottom I started out using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Flexible Styling Snot and the As I Am Long and Luxe Grow Edge Cream, and both of these products have extreme hold. I also used the braiding hair and I braided that into a braid off camera, but all I did was just secure it with a cabinet door and braid it. It's a little sloppy, but I was kind of in a rush to do that braid. So first I started off with wet hair. I had just washed and conditioned my hair with my Nioxin shampoo and conditioner, and here I'm just spraying a little bit of extra water just to keep it damp because it dried a little bit when I was doing the other side. And I am not the perfect braider, so I do my best. However, if you are better at braiding, this part may be a little easier for you. And all I did was just a simple braid down the side of my head. I usually like to wear my braids to the front of me and not towards the back. And also it's just, for me, it's easier to braid that way. So I just smoothed down the edges and just the whole top part of my hair with the edge control by As I Am. And I had already applied the styling snot throughout my hair, and this product has some serious hold, so you may want to go light on the hold or the flexible styling snot, but it works really good. I've used it in the past and it really has some hold. That's all I will say. It's a good product, but don't use it if you want some movement, because it's gonna make your hair just a little bit stiff. Not in a bad way, but like I said, it's a serious hold. So all I did here was just, like I said, braid to the back, and I secured at the end with a rubber band. So here I just grabbed the hair, and like I said, this is synthetic hair by Organique. It came in 3 different lengths. I don't remember which length I used, and some of it I cut up just to play around with it. But all you're gonna do is start wrapping from the middle of your ponytail and just wrap the hair securely around itself until you get the desired thickness. Like I said, I didn't use that much hair, but feel free to add more if you'd like. I picked a pattern of hair that was very similar to my own texture. If I were to straighten my hair, I would use something straighter, but you know, go with what you like. You could choose different colors or whatever, but you know, I just chose, I think it was just a simple one. They didn't have a 1B, which is usually what I do when I add like braiding hair, but this one worked well. It blended in well with my natural hair, I think. And I just wrapped it around. You want to make sure you wrap it enough to where it completely covers your ponytail on the inside, and you're going to secure it with a bobby pin. And I had a little bit of struggle with this, so I probably should have found something else to secure it with, but the bobby pin was all I had. So after you secure it with the bobby pin, then you're going to take your braid that you made and wrap that around the edges of the hair so you hide it. And you want to make it kind of a decent I guess thickness when you wrap it around. You want to make sure you go high enough, but not too high, just kind of in the middle, to where as long as you cover those tracks you're fine, and hold it securely. And then I just use a bobby pin to secure that as well. And that's it, guys. It's really simple. If you can braid well, this is probably a little easier for you. It'll probably go by a little quicker. But you know, like I said, this is my first time trying this style and I thought it was cute. The next time I do it, I'll probably add more hair and just find a different way to secure it. Instead of using braiding hair to wrap around the edges, I would suggest maybe using like thread or something, just because I think it would be a little cuter. But this I thought was cute as well, and I actually saw this method, but instead of a braid, they just wrapped the actual hair around the end. But I didn't like the way that looked, so I decided to just make 2 braids and wrap around the hair. But you know, feel free to experiment with this however you like. I like it like this, and I'll probably try it different ways, like I said. Definitely with the string next time. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video, and I look forward to making the next one for you guys. Bye.